Hi, in this video, I'll be briefing you about the BMS Algorithm Software Package that Decibels supplies, along with the multi-cell BMS Software Development Board and also with the single-cell Software Development Board. As we understand, the hardware is a one component of the complete test setup. Along with the hardware, if you would like to develop a software which requires a certain configuration of a base software and also an application software. So the base software interacts with the hardware peripherals and engages in all interactions of collecting the data from SPI, sending a communication protocols via CAN, or sending any of the other signals that is needed to turn on, turn off various different components. Then the application software talks about various different kind of components. It could be for receiving the data from the hardware, then performing logical calculations to collect this data and convert this for usable requirements in place. And apart from these things, creation of protection logics. It could be a voltage protection, temperature protection, current protection. And apart from the protection logics, it could be an estimation activity such as state of charge, state of health, and maybe a different type of activities that also includes the communication protocols, that is with the charger and various different components in the system as well. So henceforth, this software package module that is given by Decibels Lab includes the complete base software and application software configuration so that you can easily use the complete hardware setup from the day one when you get into the development activities and teaching activities to the students. Apart from these software packages part of a software, it also includes the set of experimental learning activities so that you are being very well guided to conduct step-by-step of the experiments, starting with simplistic as how to configure the model to acquire the data from the hardware. How do you collect the data from various different components which are part of the whole system in place, and then perform all the protection logics and state estimation logics and things like that. Henceforth, this software package will enable you to quickly get started with the hardware facility in place, and also gives you a learning edge because the model is already configured that you use the whole setup in learning with the software package and then deploying into the hardware to teach the students on how to develop a software based on a model-based design for an application of a battery management system that is developed by Decibels Lab. So thank you very much.